What's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. If you're new or perhaps watching this video at a later date, this specific section will be known as Keith Condensed. Basically, it's a small little snip of the actual entire live stream. On the live stream, I do usually about two different kinds of recordings. I do the Keith Condensed, and then I do a actual season video on the live stream, and then we go ahead and open it up to like a Q&A or just kind of general banter, maybe about the stock market or whatever it may be. Whatever you want to talk about that night, we can talk about. Anyways, today I wanted to, there was so much talk about Elon Musk and did he have funds secured? Did he not have funds secured? Will he get sued? Will he get sued? I mean, honestly, I was forget Elon for today. I've covered enough Elon over the last few streams. Let's just go ahead and find another different topic so that we can talk about. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual article. So this is an article written by Justin Kepper on August 14, 2018. Hey, today, what do you know? He was basically saying Alibaba shares have fallen nearly 3% early Tuesday, and basically this is pretty much the downtrend because of trade war talk between the United States and China, and because Alibaba is a China-based company. They're supposedly, from what I've heard from friends, is that they're like the Amazon of China. I mean, also JD.com is also been considered like the Amazon of China too. So I don't know what people are thinking. You can't have two Amazons. There's only one Amazon that exists. You can probably have a Walmart and an Amazon, but you can't have two Amazons. But anyways, basically what he was getting here is that Alibaba is getting close to second level support. And so basically what they're saying here is that we had this flag, I think is what it's called as far as technical analysis go. I don't do much technical analysis. As far as this chart on this actual screen, I'm clueless about half the time. I know how to read some charts, but most of the charts I don't really understand. So basically he was saying that we had this flag, and because there was a squeeze right here, it broke out down, and so it will continue on this downtrend probably until, and then it broke past support number 2. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in real quick. So it broke past support level 1. And basically it's rusting right about support level 2. And he was saying that if it breaks support level 2, it probably will drop down to about 166. However, if it bounces off this support level 2, he was saying that it will probably bounce back up to the 200-day moving average, which is this red line right here that's coming across, which is right now about 186.85. So what he was getting at is that maybe this is a good buy price. He was saying that a lot of people actually, I think in this paragraph right here, he was saying even though it's bearish, a lot of investors are taking a lot of time to build huge amount of stock in this company. Yo, my bad that Discord is going buck wild right now. Basically what he was getting at is that for a lot of long-term investors, that this price right now, a lot of people absolutely love it. Because also they've been partnering with companies like Ford Motor Company, Starbucks, by the way, as they're trying to work on a partnership. And I think this is probably a solid move for Starbucks because it's an unreached kind of market for them. I feel like they've done pretty much all they can here in the States, and I mean around most of the Western civilization world. And so now breaking into the Chinese market via Alibaba, I think would be, a great move on their behalf. And then also Alibaba has been spending a lot of money on artificial intelligence and just next generation, kind of where everything is going as far as technology is. And basically that's what he was saying is to basically solidify them in the market moving forward in the future. And I think a lot of companies are pursuing artificial intelligence, new technology, new next generation technologies, basically to position themselves in the next 5 to 10 years as a leader in certain industries. What does this mean for me? By the way, I am a shareholder in Alibaba. I was getting into it a little bit earlier. I own probably, I think, about 28% of my 80% pie is in Alibaba. It should be at 21%, but I just readjusted it, so it's continuing to drop a little bit. As far as what it means for me is that I won't touch it because I'm specifically looking at analyst rating, market cap, and popularity. Now, if it drops below a 90% analyst rating, then from there on my M1 account, I'll throw it in my trash pile and we'll just let it be there for the time being. However, me personally, it's not like I'm going to go out and buy this tomorrow or I'm going to go out and sell this tomorrow. I'm a strictly long-term dollar cost averaging every single stock that's in my M1 portfolio, and Alibaba just happens to be one of those. I think if you're like from looking at it from a trading perspective, maybe it would be a chance to make a quick buck if it bounced off, or I mean either way, or a quick way to lose a quick buck if it continues to go down to support, I guess level 3, which he was saying is about that 166 range, so about another $5-6. Feel free to let me know down in the comments if Alibaba is something that you plan on holding long term, or if something that you plan on buying. Feel free to let me know why also, and if it's not something that you're interested, something you don't care about, or something that you're like, hey, you know what, Alibaba's not for me, let me know down in the comments also, or if you're in the live stream, I would appreciate that as well. Anyways, guys, it's your boy, it's been real. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.